We got this, sticking with these new consoles since they're all the rage at the moment, we got this number 4 on trending right now. Travis Scott plus Cactus Jack Experience, PS5 unboxing reimagined. So I see the title, and I know the collab is going on because Travis Scott, his agent, has got him all the collabs.
Yes.
He called him up one day. He said, how many collabs do you want? And then,
He's like, yes.
Travis Scott said yes.
Yes.
Which is another meme. See, now I can't trust anyone.
Yeah. I mean, McDonald's, he got the Cybertruck.
He got
Fortnite.
Fortnite. Obviously, he's had the thing going on with Nike for a while.
Yeah.
You add Sony to the roster. It's high-profile brands. He's doing okay.
He's the guy.
He's making a few dollars.
Yeah.
Maybe. Anyway,
he's like cemented as the guy, the sponsor guy.
The spokesman.
Yeah.
The spokesperson, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this, I saw the title and I thought to myself, by the way, look at that, rating pending to mature. It could be anything in here. I saw the title and I thought, oh, he's going to do a cool, like maybe minimalist or kind of avant-garde type of unboxing video. But then maybe it was even beyond what I expected here. The video opens and he's in a desert. What does he do? He throw a rock at something, and anyway, there's a giant screen emerges, and he's playing PlayStation 5 with giant speakers. They have this aesthetic going on, which, by the way, is very reminiscent of that old commercial for, was it Trinitron or THX? No, it might have been RCA. I can't remember. It's the guy getting blown away on the chair from the hi-fi system. I don't know if it was Sony or Panasonic, but of course, I used to read I used to be a fanatic for the old National Geographic magazine. I'm 87 years old. I'm talking about a physical magazine.
Yes.
With the yellow cover or
Pages.
the yellow border.
You physically.
Yes, man. And I used to be a fanatic for that as a child because the nature stuff and all the rest of it, and the photography was some of the best you could see at the time was inside of a National Geographic. And the brand National Geographic changed quite a bit, but that's what it was. The best photographers in the world went to work with National Geographic at a moment. And I would be just as interested in the ads at the time because there was some serious creativity to go with that as well on a single page. And I remember that iconic ad. It's the guy in a chair. I don't know if he's in a suit or what, but it's like wind is blowing out him. He's being blown out the chair. And it's a big screen in front of them. I think they're going for a similar aesthetic here. And that thing is old enough now that you can kind of redo it at this point. Now, you'll notice in his case, it's all very deconstructed. The chair that he's sitting on is held together by bungee cords and a piece of foam without the cover on it. He just found it in a desert. And it's an enormous screen. So anyway, he plays for a little while, as you might expect. So there's no real unboxing there. He's just sort of playing these various games. And then as you scan forward a little bit, you're greeted by two citizens who it looks like were filmed fairly recently, and they are asked to approach a van in which Travis Scott is housed. And he's housed in there? He's housed in there.
Okay.
And they tell these two kids, hey, approach that van over there. And the kids start walking up to it, and they notice it has PS5 logos. They say, oh, this is about to be a day. And they knock on the van, and it's Travis Scott, and he just gives each of them a PlayStation 5. And they game together for, I don't know how long, but I mean, in the clip, it's just a few seconds. And they're like, whoa, yo, the usual YouTube clip when somebody's surprised.
Yeah.
And then after that, we have a musical performance on a piano. I should know who this is. Maybe you can help me out, Will. This is who? Will cannot help me out. Will cannot help me out. Anyway, so we have a little breakout in song, and then we have a tribute after that, a kind of mashup edit featuring Pop Smoke, a tribute to Pop Smoke in the PlayStation font there. So obviously, very sort of artistic thing. Part of the collaboration, presumably, there's some creative control that goes to Travis Scott in how this stuff is done, and I don't mind that. I work with brands in the past, Will, and this to me doesn't look like corporate content. it does look like he had some level of control over how it was edited and what it was, because it's a little bit abstract.
Yeah.
And so I can appreciate that. I think that's how you do a decent partnership if you're a brand working with an artist. So we'll see where this partnership goes, but it doesn't end here though. This collaboration is ongoing and it's going to reach further. And the next story showcases that.